Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is why India abstained from UN resolution. Recently, the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, passed a resolution to declare 12th July as the International Day of Hope. 161 countries supported the resolution, while India, Turkey, Peru, and Paraguay abstained, and the United States voted against it. The resolution, introduced by Bahrain and Kiribati, aimed to promote global unity, resilience, and social stability. India's abstention sparked speculation, given its support for 3 other UN resolutions on the same day. Now let's discuss about India's abstention and the US opposition. India abstained due to concerns that an International Day of Hope might not fully align with its cultural and spiritual diversity. The United States opposed the resolution, arguing that creating more international observances dilutes efforts to solve pressing global issues. Despite the US opposition, many of its allies, including Israel and Hungary, supported the resolution. The resolution had no financial implications for the UN or its member states. Yet the US maintained that resources should be directed elsewhere. Now moving on to India's voting pattern, India supported 3 other resolutions but abstained from the International Day of Hope, 25th July as the International Day of Judicial Well-being, 28th February as the International Day of Peaceful Coexistence, a resolution urging states to invest in quality education to strengthen democracy. The US opposed all 3 resolutions, citing concerns about self-care movements, ideological influences, and terms like misinformation and disinformation. Now is the time for practice question. Which country introduced the International Day of Hope resolution? Option A, India and China. Option B, Bahrain Kiribati. Option C, United States and UK. Or option D, Russia and Turkey. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.